People ask me how I keep getting booked at different venues all over the place, and it's not about being the flashiest musician. It really comes down to just these 3 things that venue owners really care about, and these are things that I want to share with you from my personal experience. Reason number 1, professionalism before you even play a note, meaning you're showing up ready and early, not scrambling, and that there's clear communication before the gig about your load-in time, your set length, and your breaks. Another great point is be easy to work with. Venues don't book stress, and if you make their night easier, you're already ahead of 90% of musicians out there. Reason number 2, and this one is huge, be aware of your volume. You're not just playing for yourself, you're playing for the room. As musicians, we're there to enhance the vibe of the room, not kill it by causing people to run out of the building because we're so loud. Being too loud is one of the fastest ways to never get rehired again for a gig. And this is something that I will live and die by. And if you don't believe me, listen to this.
Kelly's like the OG. She's the real deal. She be serving people the best drinks. And I love when she's here because she keeps the vibe right. And I had a question, Kelly.
Okay.
Since you kind of work in like a music venue / restaurant bar, what would you say makes a musician the most rehireable? Would you say it's like, is it a sound, a vibe, music, like volume? What would you think?
It's interacting with the customers, playing what they're wanting to hear to play. But interaction is a big thing, very big thing.
Okay, so you would say interaction is probably one of the most important things for you?
That and sound, definitely sound.
Now,
Yep.
Let me ask you this to clarify. When you say sound, do you mean like overall volume, or are you talking like...
I mean volume,
Okay.
volume, yep. If you're too loud, people are getting up and leaving. So if you keep it at the right volume and all that, people stick around. They want it. They want to hear it.
Okay, you heard it from another person. It's not just me, guys.
Reason number 3, engaging your audience. Don't just stand up there and act like this is a paid rehearsal. Interact with your crowd. Make them feel like they're part of the night and part of the fun. You're not just being booked for music, you're being booked for atmosphere.
Alright, Jackie, you gonna tell us who your boots? You're not the best that your boots have been under? You said, listen, my boots have been right here. 35 years. That's a pretty long time. Congratulations, I'm glad she put up with you that long.
And you know, when you do this, you're going to build a community of people that want to invest in you and come back to see you play again. And that is a win-win for both you and the venue.
What makes you want to come out and watch a local musician play? And I'm going to let you answer first, Susan.
That is a great question. I love to come listen to local artists because there's such great talent in Little Rock, Hot Springs, and anywhere you play. And you bring the fun, you bring the entertainment, you bring it all. Why would I not want to come out, is the question.
That's a great answer, if I ever heard one. Laura,
I mean, what else can you say? You are the party. You make it so fun. We get so excited when we know you're coming.
I did not pay them to say that.
Being rebooked isn't about impressing other musicians. It's about making the venue money, keeping the customers happy, and being someone that they trust to bring back to their establishment. Alright everyone, so if you're a gigging musician and you want more repeat bookings, try doing these 3 things and I can guarantee you that the rest is going to fall into place. Now if you found this video helpful and you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.